Yo, what's up guys? Today we're back. We're going to be working on the $5 quad. It's funny to say it like that, but that is exactly how it is. We got Wink here tonight. It's kind of late. I kind of just decided that I wanted to throw it together. We got all the parts on the table.
It's so funny. You laughing at me? You like Goofy?
It's going to be a pretty easy time lapse, to be fair. Sorry about the last video. I don't know what happened to the music and the time lapse. I'm not sure why I did that, but I'm not going to let that happen in this one. So let's just jump straight into it. There's really honestly not much to talk about. We just got to get this thing back together.
Yep.
Restart. Why? What are you doing?
Wink's got this bushing going on. We just started routing the brake, as you guys could see in the time lapse. That's literally as far as we got. And then I looked at some videos, and I was going to start putting the control arms back on, but they actually needed to be re-greased. So I have this grease gun here. I mean, it's literally as simple as this, guys. Like, if you need to re-grease something, just pop her open, put a little grease in there, fill her up. Repeat on the other side. So these are actually so bad that it actually doesn't have the boots that are supposed to be on there. The rings are still there, but there's no boots.
What is he doing?
So
what is he doing?
it kind of sucks.
We need a rig.
What?
He just painted his.
Add the grease, wiggle it around, and she's re-greased. But like I said, I don't have the black rubber bushing that goes on here, like the dust boot that you're supposed to have. I don't have one. So I mean, it is what it is. This is just quad we're riding around in the yard. It's not like we're going to dusty trails. So. All right, so we're all greased up. Tie rods are greased up as well. So I just wanted to show you guys that that's just how I do it, and we're gonna hop right back into the time lapse. Ricky's also leaving. So this is where we're at right now. We got the brake all mounted up, front shocks are in, tie rods are in, control arms are on, nothing is tight, everything's just kind of chilling right now. I put the carburetor on, and I figured out that there was not enough room to get it on, so I made this aftermarket piece. This goes on there like that. Hold on, let me get this together. This is going to go on here like this. And then this slides on here. like so, and then it clears the starter. So yeah, let's keep going. I can't, like I said, my GoPro died. I actually think I said that, but my GoPro died, so that's why the footage stopped, and it's actually a good time to take an update anyways, because we were getting a little far.
Dude, there's not even, it's not even bush and egg. It's fucking nine eggs.
Those are garbage.
Oopsies.
From my housewarming party from 3 years ago. Okay, so this is probably going to be the progress for tonight. We made it pretty far, if I had to be, honest. The foot shit, we have to just cut this hole here. We're going to leave this back half, and then this will just be for the front. Your toes will kind of hang, but you'll have this here. We'll fucking work on that later. Brake, that's not on yet. We got to put the cover on. Chain's got to go on. I mean, it's not that big of a deal, but it runs. No exhaust right now. It's hanging up over there. Come give her a little gas, Winky. Okay, well, you've seen it run. Let's cut it off. I'll have to adjust the carb now that I cleaned it. But, fucking A.
So rough around the edges.
She is a rough around the edges build. But I'll catch you guys probably tomorrow. I'll probably finish this up because I'm not working because of the wedding. So, well, the wedding's already over. But you get what I'm saying. See ya. So honestly, I did not stop. I did a couple more things. Chain covers on, chains on, back wheels are on. And now I'm gonna go around and tighten everything up. Pretty much as simple as just this. And now I need to do that to everything. So the problem now is just you can't get the front rims on with the way that it is.
So we gotta pick it up and put it on the ground, don't we?
Yes. I can't believe I cut the fucking radiator, the fucking muffler shit off. Set the middle right on that lot. Sheesh. Shoo. Here you go, homie. And when you're doing the ricer cheat, you flip the wheels inside out and you get more width.
You almost knocked her over.
Fuck, dude, that was stupid. It definitely sits wider. These holes are so tiny. Oh. I can't do it on the front. The fucking, I don't know why it made me notice that, but...
The caliper.
Yeah, the little... This is gonna hit the caliper.
Oh, the valve stem.
Yeah, the valve stem.
Oh, hold on. You gotta flip the tire. It's going the wrong way.
It is. Just now that I turned it the opposite way. Damn, that sucks. So I did do it on the back though. Mission successful on the back. Still looks pretty even. It wasn't a drastic change in the front. It was pretty drastic in the back though. And now we just put the bolts on.
Oh, sick. So I'll see the short.
Alright you guys, well it's the next day after me and Wing spent all night on this thing. I was just riding it without foot pegs to see if it runs. It also doesn't have a brake right now, so it's probably going to want to run. There's only one gear? There's only one gear, and it's always in drive. So, I mean, it kind of just always wants to go. But that carb clean definitely did as well, and she runs really good now. Ah, maybe a little too good. So boys, I am just now realizing as I'm editing this video has no ending. So, the mini quad, we have added the foot pegs on, and what we have came up with, like I had shown, we flipped the metal. These were on the front, so I had said that I was gonna have to cut this plate, but like I said, if I just moved it from the front to the back, why would I have to cut the plate? Because then the brake's going to end up right there, which works perfect when you're wheeling. You just tap the brake, and you're good to go. So, with that being said, that's it. That's the mini quad build. Let's see if she fires right up. Oh. Oh, the gas is off, the choke is off. Okay, gas is on, choke is on. She likes to be ran on choke until she's warm, and then you can take the choke off. But like I had shown before, that it runs. So, just only has one gear, always wants to go. Now we're repeating ourselves. I just wanted to show you guys that these were on. This is actually the shock from my pit bike. I don't even know if I showed that. I bought a shock for the pit bike and I swapped it. I'm almost positive I put that in here, but if I didn't, now you guys know. So, that's the end of this build. Wasn't really much to it. I mean, I just needed to refresh it. And I would change the seat cover, but this is zip tied on. So if I redo the seat cover, then I cannot zip tie this back on anymore. So, it's what it is. Just a toy. Gonna sell it anyways, like I was saying. If I don't sell it, I'll just keep it. Just like this thing that's still up for trades, and everybody's trying to trade me absolutely everything in the history of the world. So, You guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and as always, have a nice night.